How to change account on Pokemon TCG Pocket. I'm going to tell you how to change accounts on Pokemon TCG Pocket. Right now, the only way to switch accounts in Pokemon TCG Pocket is by reinstalling the app. There's no built-in account switcher or log out button in the game settings, which can be frustrating if you manage multiple accounts. So if you want to change accounts, you'll need to delete the app from your device first, then reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play. After reinstalling, the game will treat it like a fresh launch. That's when you'll be prompted to log in or link a different account, either via Pokemon Trainer Club or Apple or Google login. Just make sure your current account is already backed up or linked properly, because uninstalling the app might wipe local save data if it's not synced. Players have been asking for an easier way to switch accounts, but for now, this is the only method that works reliably.